Hello everyone, pretty much I just wanted to show you right now the program I'm using and pretty much how it works so you can start doing your programs in C++. So let's get started. The program that I'm using right now, it's called Genie. It's right here, yeah, it's like this lamp, Aladdin's lamp. And pretty much it's a compiler, it's a program that it will run on Ubuntu, and I think it also will run on Windows. And what you do is just pretty much go to the website, just Google Genie, and right now I would love to do that, but I don't have internet. Yeah, that's what happens when you don't pay your bills. So pretty much it's like just go to Google and type Genie, or you can try other type of compilers, like other type of programs, like for example Visual Studio, I believe it's called Visual Studio Express. That one will not charge you. That's actually from C++ too. Also, like another one. Yeah, let me save this one right here. I'm sorry, guys. I don't have internet right now. I wish I could give you the gist of another type of like compilers, but I'm poor, so what the heck with that. Also, another one that it's really that's really useful and C++ in order to program. It's called Borland C++. It's actually also a freeware. For those of you who don't know anything about computers, it's called freeware. And those are programs that are free, of course, free. And pretty much are just programs that you can download and start developing things. Of course, there are some restrictions for C++. For Visual Studio, I believe there's some. For this one, I believe there's actually a restriction that you cannot make, I believe, large programs that you can sell. But I mean, if it's just for only start to getting the experience, I believe it's a good. It's a good investment to just pretty much download the free version and start practicing with it. I believe it's a trial, but anyways, it will give you the right tools. Borland C++ also is a nice experiment too, so you can start typing that. The one that I will actually might help you more, and this is for maybe people who want to go all hardcore and programming. It's called GCC. It's a compiler that will not only run on only C++, but it will also run on Java. I believe it also run on C. It does C++. You get almost all the whole package. I believe Ada does Ada, which is also another program that will run on it. I believe Ruby. I'm not sure if Ruby will run on it, but many of the compilers, like only like for example Borland C++ and Visual Studio Express C++, will only run on C++. But there's actually other type of other types of like programming things that you can do, and also like other type of programs like Java, C, which is also like another type of language which is very popular. For example, when you say why would I need other program than C++? Well, here it is. Like for example, Java runs on Android, and if you want to develop things on Android, and you can pretty much start using Java, and GCC has it, which is the beauty of it. Also, like for example, iPhone runs on Objective C, which is Objective C. But don't worry about that. That's actually kind of far away from us. But if you want to learn C, which is actually the basic of Objective C, which is for the iPhone, you can download GCC also, which also will help you. Will really really help you. If you're running on Windows, I believe you have to download a package for that part. But if you're running on Ubuntu, you're awesome. Nah, just kidding, guys. On Windows, I have no respect for that one too. But anyways, I will still, we'll teach you that how to run also on Windows. And for Windows, I would suggest you guys run this thing called Eclipse. I'm sorry, I mistyped that one. Eclipse, and this will run C++, Java. This will run, I believe, also C, and I guess you can do some Android applications with this, which is actually Java, but you can do all type of things. You can go ahead and Google this Eclipse here, right here, and with that, you can pretty much start to develop new type of programs. Actually, I believe I have Eclipse right here, so I can give you a hint of that. You will see like this color right here. and you will get it here. Actually, you have to download it from like Eclipse, and it's a zip file. I actually have it downloaded on Windows, so I can show you guys how to make a program on Eclipse. So you know, I'm not that lazy when it comes to doing programs in C++. So one thing that you actually need to do for downloading things in C++ in Eclipse is like you have to download the one called Eclipse, and the plugin is called CDT, and this is for Eclipse, and make sure it has included CDT, which is the one for C++. Yeah, C++. All right, so whatever. So pretty much just like this, you can pretty much put in here. It has the standard one, new file, make C++ project, C project, the one that I told you guys, because you can actually make for iPhone. Actually, I don't think you can make iPhone applications in here. I'm not really sure, but I know you can make Android, which is still awesome, you know. So either way, if you want to go there, you can start discussing that in next tutorial. So let's do a C++ project here. And project name, let's call it hello. And remember what's next? That's right, C++. But this is the project name, so let's not put that one. And let's see, this right here is next. And finish. And here you go. You already have your own C++ program. So you right click in here, put a new source file, because source file are the ones that are for, you know, the .cpp. That's how we call, you know, .cpp files. So let's call this one hello.cpp. Remember that? CPP. So let's put it finish. And here it is, the hello thing. And well, let's type this in, include stream. And for some reason I just took a picture of it. I guess it's because it's the beauty of it. Nah, I'm just kidding, I just suck at typing. So sorry about that, guys. I'm sometimes maybe foul mouthed. Let's see, is that the main? And you can see it start changing colors right here. That's because it means something. I'll explain in the next tutorial what it means. So remember this program? Does it sound familiar? I was about to type my name, so oh, what the hell. Renato, yeah, that's my name. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the program. It's showing me this thing right here for some reason, some bugs, and they're gone. So that's pretty much how you make a program in pretty much Eclipse. To run it, all you need to put is go in here, project, build all. You will see this thing right here, and when it says right here in the bottom, will say build finished, and then you of course press run it and run. And in here you will see notifications. Remember the Windows last time? That was because of the other applications, but right here you will see Renato, which is what I type in here. What I use the other type of like the other program called Genie. It's because I like the way, because it uses GCC, which is compatible with other things. But if you like it, you prefer Eclipse, you can start doing Eclipse, you know, for the guys, you guys in Windows, or you know, you can start doing the Genie, I guess, for that type of people. I guess I would use this one right here, Genie, to create some programs, and I would use Eclipse to run it if you guys want to do it, just to show you the other type of programs. No, I just go with Eclipse. What the hell? So this is pretty much it. This is how you start, you know, putting new type of programs. I will show you how to install Eclipse and Windows, and that's pretty much it. It's just a zip file, and you remember, just go Eclipse, put a zip file, download a zip file with a CDT, unzip it, and just run it right there. That'll be simple as that. So Alright, thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I hope it really was more informative as I think it is right now. So if you have any more questions about how to install new programs running your C++ program, I'll be more than happy to answer them. You can put your questions in the comments below. And well, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and next tutorial I will teach you guys how to create again a new type of program and how you can run it and maybe how you can put input in it. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and alright, thank you guys. This is RMF City, and don't forget to subscribe.